How to duplicate a key fob. Are you worried about losing your key fob or want to make an extra copy? In this video, we'll guide you on how to clone your key fob with the help of an online company, locksmith, or manufacturer. Moreover, if your key fob works on 125 cars, we'll also demonstrate how to use an RFID writer to create your own copy. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. One, search online for a key fob copying service, show proof that you own the fob, and ship the fob to the company. You typically receive your new fob in 2 to 5 days. 2. Call a local locksmith or copy your key fob at a kiosk at a hardware store. Be prepared to prove you own the fob with a utility bill or your vehicle's VIN. 3. If your key fob is specially encrypted for your vehicle or residence, contact the dealership or the manufacturer of the fob for a replacement, using an online key fob copying service. 1. Look for the serial number on the fob to see if it's copied remotely. Key fob copying companies can reproduce certain types of key fobs remotely by using a fob's serial number. This means that you don't have to send the company the original fob. Just look for your key fob's serial number, which is usually printed on the backside of the fob. Then, enter the number into the indicated field on the company's request form to see whether they can copy your fob remotely. 2. Search for online key fob copying services online. Most online key fob copying companies offer the same sorts of services, so take the time to compare pricing packages and read customer reviews. Then, select the company that best suits your specific copying needs, the time frame for getting a duplicate key, and the budget. 3. Fill out the company's copy request application. Most key fob copy companies have a form that asks for your full name and address, as well as your email address or phone number so the company can get in touch with you if they need. Simply enter your information into the form. Then hit Next or Send on the form to get the copying process started. 4. Attach the requested materials to prove that you own the key. Before a key fob copying service makes a duplicate fob for you, they have to confirm that you're the legal owner of your key fob. Most copy request applications prompt you to verify your identity by showing proof of residence or ownership of the property that the key fob opens. This usually means scanning a utility bill or providing the vehicle identification number, VIN, and registration for your vehicle. 5. Pay for the replacement key fob. Most key fob copying companies direct you to a new web page where you pay for your replacement key. Just enter your full name, shipping address, and payment information into the payment form. Then hit Order to complete the transaction. 6. Pack your key fob into an envelope and send it to the company. Slip the key fob into a padded mailer envelope or small shipping box and seal it up. If the company you're using asks you to include a copy of your order form, place it inside the package before you seal it up. Then, add the address that the company gave you for sending your key fob and drop your package in the mailbox. 7. Wait 2 to 5 business days to receive your replacement key fob. Most key fob copying companies send you your duplicate fob in less than 1 week, though the amount of time it takes depends on which shipping method you use. When your key fob arrives, you can immediately use it the same way that you used your original fob or card, using a locksmith or the manufacturer. 1. Call a local locksmith to ask about getting a copy of your key fob made. Many traditional locksmiths have all the tools they need to duplicate basic unencrypted key fobs. To find a locksmith, go online and search for locksmith, plus the name of your town or city, or check your town's local directory. Then, give the locksmiths in your area a call to see if they copy key fobs. 2. Get your key fob copied at a hardware store as an alternative. Lots of major chain hardware stores like Lowe's and Home Depot have automated kiosks that read and copy some key fobs instantly. Before you take your key fob to a hardware store, call the store and describe its basic appearance and function to a knowledgeable associate. They'll be able to tell you if they have a kiosk that can reproduce your fob. 3. Contact the Key Fob's manufacturer if your fob is specially encrypted. For some home and car key fob replacements, only the original manufacturer can copy the fob for you. Look for the manufacturer's name or number on the backside of your key fob. Then, use the information to contact the manufacturer or car dealership directly. Ask them what you need to provide them with to get a copy. Using an RFID writer. Look for an RFID writer online. Many key fobs contain a radio frequency identification, RFID chip, that uses radio waves to talk to the device that locks and unlocks your car, apartment gate, or office door. An RFID writer reads and writes on encrypted 125 Key fobs and cards, allowing you to make your own Key fob copy. Just look for a handheld RFID writer online that is affordable and well-reviewed by users. Get a blank 125 Key fob if you don't have one already. To duplicate your key fob, you need a blank fob to copy its information onto. Just look for blank key fobs online that operate on the same radio frequency as your key fob. These fobs aren't usually expensive and only cost a couple of dollars a piece. Press the key fob to the RFID writer and push the read button. Hold the back of the key fob flat against the side barrel of the RFID writer. Press the read button and keep the fob in place for a few seconds. After a brief moment, the device will emit a loud beep or chirp to indicate that it scanned your key fob successfully. Hold the blank key fob up to the device and hit the right button. Press the backside of the blank fob against the RFID writer. Then, push the right button and listen for a beep or chirp. This copies the information from your original key fob and inputs it into the blank fob. Now, your duplicate key fob acts exactly like the original fob. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the tutorial on how to duplicate a key fob. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive content, and hit the notification bell. We would love to hear your suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Remember to always drive safely and stay happy. Thank you for watching.